I'm Sam.
And I'm Kayci.
And we're the Chin Puppets.
The Chin Puppets.
Mine's Billy.
Mine's Billi-millie. So, Billy, what are you doing today? You want to go fling some cow poop?
I want to go cow dipping.
I want to go play around in the mud with the pigs.
I don't. That's gross.
Time. FaceTime! Give me a kiss! Give me a kiss! Come here! Come here! Give me a kiss! Give me a little smoochy smooch! Are you even making faces? Are you even making faces?
I'm trying.
Wait, that's not right. Make a sad face.
I want to punch you.
Hi, Dad.
I didn't. Stop it.
Noises?
Ew, this thing stinks.
No, it doesn't. Not that bad. It smells like my room. Okay. This one has to go over. Sam, you have to help me with this. Scott, you have to help me with this too.
I can't breathe.
This has to say Sam and Kayci on it. Like, so when you read it, the Sam and the Kayci. Oh. Give me some sugar. Give me some sugar. Give me some sugar. Give me some sugar. Ow! I'm done.
Give me some sugar.